Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame has definitely been drifting down. This is a little bit of a tough one because to me on this pair, it would make more sense for this to actually make a move to the downside, like a wave B, and then back up again maybe later on in like a week or so for a wave C like this. The problem is that the US dollar analysis is still making me pretty bullish. If the dollar stays bullish, then there's a good chance that this will stay bullish also. So definitely keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame. I moved my Fibonacci retracement all the way down to the most recent low at the end of the last crescent to the most recent high, because if this really is going to continue up, then it would end up respecting one of these fib levels and probably end up breaking structure to the upside. It's currently sitting at the 61.8, so let's see if it does decide to go up. I think that what would help confirm this is a nice break of structure to the upside, which unfortunately is way up here, which is why it would actually be nice to see like a double bottom like this and then a break of structure to help confirm that we really are back into the higher time frame uptrend. So definitely a little bit of a slow sideways market, but tomorrow we have CPI inflation data, so hopefully that will help get things moving. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.